Hey, to record screen on the Realme 12 5G, first of all, you will have to open the quick settings, and then you have to search for this screen recording icon. If for some reason this icon is not visible for you, you have to click on the three dots in the right upper corner, then select Edit Tiles, and now from these icons, you have to actually find the screen recorder icon and simply click on the plus to add it to your tiles. And after this, when you do this, you have to just click on this screen recording icon. Now accept this permission. And as you can see, before we start recording, we can click here and we can record the microphone sound or the system sound. So we can actually decide. And then you have to just click here to start recording. And now the record is on the way. This widget will be actually not visible on the record, so you don't have to worry about this one. And if you want to finish this recording, you have to click here and then tap on this icon, and now it's actually finished. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.